Welcome to Let's Be Concrete. In this 2-minute edition, we will elaborate on sense and respond capabilities.
We will challenge how firms need to rethink their strategic navigation system and introduce a new roadmap. This is Chuck Blockbuster. He is the CEO of an international organization. Because he's concerned about the future, he invited a consultant named Peter McKinley to discuss strategy. He also invited a board member, Susan the MBA, to the meeting. The solution proposed by McKinley is called Strategy as Usual. It is grounded in a specific research tradition and developed by Professor Starr. He is considered a distinguished expert within theoretical strategy and publishes advanced stuff in leading strategy journals. Starr's work is preferred because it is based on assumptions that brings clarity and direction to the notion of strategy. McKinley, Blockbuster, and Susan love how the complexity and turbulence of today's business environments are subtly comprised into one compact and universal truth. But what they don't realize is that strategy as usual compromises their ability to be agile and adapt. Starr's many theoretical frameworks are based on fundamental assumptions that are not in alignment with reality and practice. Influencers like Starr unfortunately lacks knowledge from real life, and unlike professors from other fields of science, he never learned from failing in practice. Recent history has clearly taught us that it is time to question the relevance of this type of research. In 2008, we were reminded how it can potentially sink entire systems into the abyss if we continue to follow the wrong influencers. The gap between management research and practice is growing at an alarming pace. We seem to have reached a point where new management concepts, frameworks, and analytics are flooding the business scene while the target group gradually drifts away. Strategy as usual has produced so many barriers in today's firms that they need to take a few steps back, rethink the notion of strategy, and cultivate sense and respond capabilities. These crucial capabilities are rooted in human ingenuity and originate from a different research perspective. They enable us to cultivate paranoia and vigilance, traits that have always been needed by humans in order to identify danger and navigate accordingly and wisely. Once organizations have their senses right, they can dodge the abyss through vigilance, faith, fitness, and courage. Because winning in the future is going to follow an unusual path. In other words, time is ripe to rethink strategy. Visit our website for more information about the roadmap to sense and respond capabilities. In the next Let's Be Concrete, we will introduce another crucial capability, namely adaptive learning. Don't forget to subscribe on YouTube.